You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. In this series, we've talked freight, customs, common pitfalls, and now let's talk solutions. In this final episode in our San Francisco to Europe series, we'll show you how SDC makes international relocation seamless. First, experienced packing crews for San Francisco's unique terrain. We're talking San Francisco's unique driveways and condo elevators, coordinating with local HOAs and building managers, and transparent quotes, no last-minute add-ons. And of course, we have relocation specialists who are based in the Bay Area, who know the city, the streets, and the stress. And here's a client story. Carlos and Leah, moving from Pacific Heights to Paris, told us, "We thought an international move would take months of stress, but with SDC, it took one conversation." If you're moving to Europe from San Francisco, this is what peace of mind sounds like. At SDC, we believe international moving should feel like a step forward, not a step into the unknown. From the steep hills of San Francisco to the cobbled streets of Europe, we make every part of your journey smooth, supported, and stress-free. You've got dreams, and we've got the plan to get you there. If you're ready to start your move, or just explore what it might look like, connect with our Bay Area relocation team. You'll get real answers, real timelines, and a partner who actually cares. Call us today, 877-339-0267, or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com. Because when you're ready for that next chapter, we're ready to help you write it.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.